welcome to my channel. Please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and welcome back to all my subscribers. Today I'm doing a collab with the ladies of Beauty Over 40. So this is our April collab. So this is one of our girls, Phyllis, birthday month. Happy birthday, Phyllis. So we let her choose the theme for this month, and she went with red carpet. So this is my red carpet look. And check out the other ladies' links down below, and check out their red carpet look as well. Talking, I'm just going to show you guys how I created the smoky eye, and then just do the rest of my face off camera. So I'm trying to keep the video kind of quick just so I can just focus on the smoky eye. So enjoy the video, guys. Now time to do the rest of my face off camera and I'll be back. Okay guys, this is the completed look of my red carpet glam, which is a collab that I'm doing with the ladies of Beauty Over 40. When I think red carpet, I always think smoky eye or something like that. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed. Bye.